Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to write on the shared whiteboards of your meeting on Zoom. So first, open your Zoom desktop client or application and follow these steps. After you started a meeting, you will have many options that you will do. Here, in this example, I have this meeting that I start now just for an example. And here you will find all the option or this is the menu where you can do some actions on your meeting. So as you can see, there is an action or a button that is called whiteboard. So if you click on it, you will be able to add a shared whiteboard. And after you click on the, some whiteboard, either you can choose a new one or choose from your whiteboards. You will have to click on it, and here you will have these options. The first ones are concerning the access for the editing, for the user to edit like on your whiteboard while you are sharing. And the second one, it is after the meeting is ended, are you sure to give access to them for this board? You can choose either yes or no, it depends on your choice. So now I will just open the board and I can show you how to write on the screen. As you can see, now the whiteboard is shared here in the meeting. So now I will be able like to write. If you have like a pad, you can just write with this the pen, or you can just add some text and you can write things that you want. For example, hello everyone. And with this method, you will be able like to share your whiteboards and write on them while they are being shared. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.